Hey guys, good morning, good evening. This is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the Snowflake concepts. The Snowflake concept is the streams. Okay, so I was working on that. I was exploring that how to create the stream and what is the benefit of the creating the stream. Okay, and how stream works in the real kind of the environments. Okay, so if you see, I've just explored that. I've just created one stream, and I would like to show you how is the beneficial when you're working in the real life, the data sets, how you can got the benefit when someone got update, delete, or this kind of thing, this kind of things, and your manager or senior leader has asked about. Can you please change what exactly has the change CDC kind of thing? So you can use the CDC to find out what are the changes during that time. Okay, so let me show you the first. I have the table. This is my table. It's very straightforward table. So you can see in this table we have employee ID, and this is 39 records. In 39 records we have employee ID, name, address, company name, and joining date, country. Okay, so what gonna do this, I will change the company name. Okay, so yes, sir, we have the TCS company name. I will change TCS to my name. Okay, Ankush. Okay, so it's already there. I'll show you from the scratch. Okay, let's say I will say here. Okay. Mm, okay, let's take the example first. Okay, suppose you are working on the real-time environment and somebody's got deleted your records and you have the millions of records. Okay, and you don't remember the particular records or the column name, what has to be changed or what had to be changed. Okay, in this case we don't have any other way to find out that, although we have the time travel, but it will be like in 90 days, or it depends on the version, what kind of the version it has. Okay, so in million records you don't have any things to find out what has deleted. Okay, so in this situation, we have created a stream. So stream will capture your changes, each and everything. Okay. So let me create first the stream. The stream is very straightforward. Let's say create or replace, not a stream. We want a stream. Okay. And I'll give the mm, stream employee on table employee. This is the structure. This is the keyword of to stream, how to create it. Okay. What I will do, so I have just create or replaced. This is my stream. This is the Snowflake keyword, and I've given the stream employee name. Okay, this is going to my new uh, table. Okay, and on table, and where I have to create it, I want to create it on this employee table. Okay, this one is already there. This one. Okay, let me run this. Okay, we have successfully created the one stream. Okay, now I'm gonna delete it, or maybe I'm gonna update few records. Okay, so let's say update, let me from employee, I'll delete after that. Okay, let's say update employee table, set company name, should be on push, where I want to update company name, it should be TCS. Okay, and I will delete this from here. Okay, So three rows has been updated. Okay, it will take a few minutes or few seconds to update your streams. Okay, if I see, check that stream. Okay, you can see I've already did into the past, so you can see it has captured the changes in the stream table. Okay, so if you see in the last column, and these are the main most important things into the stream, like metadata action, metadata update, and metadata row ID. Okay, so this is going to be the interview question. So once you created the stream, what are the new what we call the field are updated or are created. So you can share we have created the three new fields, which is metadata action, metadata update, and metadata row ID. Okay, so if you see, we have uh, the company name. Okay, and these are the metadata row ID. Okay, inserted. I have created the inserted, and I have also do for the deleted. Okay, reverse, and this is the true. Okay, so that's how you can create streams on top of your tables and find out the what changes have been updated or done in the particular table. Okay, this is very helpful to check the updates, delete, whatever it is that basically it's a DML commands. Okay, let me do that. Uh, so let's say my company Ankush will TCS. Let's say TCS. I want to update again and where to update my name. Ankush. Okay, three row reverts. Now let me where it is my string. It is. Let me check. It will take some time. It will update. Okay. So this is how you can create a stream on top of your tables. Okay, in a Snowflake. Okay. Hope you love this video. If you like this video, please make sure subscribe the channel and thank you so much for watching this.